Hi everyone, quick car modeling technical tutorial. So I'm here at the windshield, right? And let me just show you something. So if you love this here, right? And you add those guiding curves here, everything looks great, right? Even in this mode, you start to see something happens in the middle. So maybe we can see it a little bit. Okay, it's hard to see, but you see it here. So with the zebra stripe, I mean, if you are beginner intermediate, that's absolutely fine, right? But I will show you how to do it perfect, because here you see the zebra stripe is not perfect, right? We have this little interruption here in the middle. And why is that? That's because, so let me delete this here. If we take all of those curves here and if we duplicate them, and I will just bring them up and let me hide this ones here. The thing is, it has something to do with the edit points and CVs of the curves. So here we see that this curve, and this curve, so those three curves, they are all degree 2. They have one CV in the middle, right? So that's why if we love that, we see we have an absolute, just wonderful surface, right? But once we start to push them into our guiding curves, we lose this beautiful shape. And that's why, because those curves, if we check out the CVs, so I've mirrored those curves. So I've created first one and then I mirrored it over, but you see, so you see if we start to move this point, it has like all of those CVs and it's not really distributed well. And also if we hide this curve, you see we have one edit point here in the middle. So that means this long curve is constructed out of two spans. So this is one span and the other one, because we have here one edit point. It's not a control point curve. This is a control point curve, right? So to fix our issue here is we have to rebuild those curves, and that we are approximately, we also have the same CV. So you have to rebuild this one and not refit, because then you still have this edit point in the middle. You have to click on points, and then let's say we have 10, because we don't want too few, because then we start to lose the shape. But just for now, 10 is fine. And here this bottom one, we also have to rebuild it, also with 10 points. But now, because we rebuild it, we lost the connection here. So what we just have to do is just with control click, we have to snap it again here in the middle. So it's green here and it's green here. So just snap that just one more time. And now if we loved it, beautiful, and shift click and you see it's just wonderful, because all of those curves are very smooth and we have everywhere the same amount of CVs. And this is true for literally every surface when you build a car. So if you want to go like super hardcore detail, so, but especially, I mean, I will not do it on every curve, because like that would take like too much time and it needs a lot of practice, right? But especially those big ones where you really see where those transitions are very noticeable. So especially those ones in the middle, that's a very good thing to do. And if you want to learn the full step-by-step process of modeling a Porsche 911 from scratch, I've created a brand new course that teaches you industry standard techniques with easy to use plasticity tools. You will master everything from creating precise curves to producing high quality, complex surfaces and blending seamless transitions, all broken down into simple steps. So join the revolution of 3D modeling in plasticity. Check out first link in the description box and enroll now to experience the power of plasticity like never before and unlock your true creative potential today. First link in the description box. See you in there.